Hi and welcome to No Second Season. Today I've got 2 tips for you regarding the Sawyer Squeeze water filter. With winter coming to the Northern Hemisphere shortly, the fair weather hikers and bike packers like me will be packing their gear away. Before you pack your Sawyer Squeeze away, make sure you read the storage instructions on the pouch. It's a very simple procedure. It's just flushing the Sawyer Squeeze through with water and bleach, and then it's safe to pack away, and you should get it out in the spring and it'll still work. Mine was blocked solid because I didn't know there was a procedure, and I've had to buy a new one because although I've got it working, I'm worried I've compromised its integrity, and I've purchased a new one. So that's tip number 1. I don't take the back flush syringe with me when I go bike packing. It's huge. I just haven't got the space. It doesn't weigh much, 27 grams, but it's just too big to take. But it is always a worry, what if I need to back flush? When I bought my new Sawyer Squeeze, in it comes a blue adapter, a grey adapter, and a length of pipe. I took one of the blue adapters, I've cut down the length of pipe, and I've bought another blue adapter, and I've made sure there's a washer in each. And now I can back flush using a pouch. The adapters and the pipe are half the weight of the syringe, and as you can see, they're a lot smaller. So I'm going to be a lot happier on the trail knowing that should I need to in an emergency, I can back flush my Sawyer Squeeze. So that's tip number 2. I hope these 2 tips are of use to you. I'll close this video here. So goodbye for now.
Lo cha cha cha. Lo cha cha cha.